welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about my latest Python project, and by the end of this video, I hope that you learn that there is no limit to what you can do with programming. So, let's get started. Here's how it all started. One day, I was looking for a clipboard history app for my Mac. You know, an app that would store everything I copied to my clipboard inside a file. I couldn't find any programs online, so I built my own one. I made it so that the program tracked everything I copied and then stored it in a text file. Then I realized that if I copied a password to my clipboard, it would get stored in a file in plain text. So I made it so that the program encrypted the data that I copied to my clipboard and then stored it in a database. Since there was no way to decrypt the database, I made a program for that too. Then, I made a GUI version of the decrypting program. After using my program for a while, I realized that it was really useful. So, I decided to share it online with other people. So I got to work and I created a readme.md file, a license file, a requirements.txt file, and more. Now I put my program on GitHub so that people all around the world can download and use it. The link to my program is in the description. Please consider downloading and using it. In case you're wondering how to download my program, here's a short clip that shows you how to do it. So first you want to open up your terminal, and then you want to type in git clone, and then the URL that's going to be in the description. I'll also leave the command in the description if you want to copy paste it. And now, you're going to notice that there's this directory called Vanced Hist that was created. You want to cd into that, and then you're going to see that you'll have all the files here. And yeah, now you have the program on your computer. And you can see that you can browse through the code and all that. Now let me tell you about all the amazing things you can do with Python. Here's a list of things I know you can do with Python. You can create mobile apps, desktop apps, CLIs, websites, API. You can create spiders, which are little programs that get information from websites. And you can create little programs to perform little tasks. Like this one time, I needed a list of all Linux distros that was on this website. I was too lazy to type it all out, so I built a program with Python to scrape it from the website and print it out in the format I needed it in. Now you should know that there is no limit to what you can do with computers and programs. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or comments. Also, be sure to watch my next video, and thanks for watching.